Hello everyone, today I'm going to talk about Git and GitHub. Coming to Git, basically Git is an open source project. That means it is open source, which is available to everyone, and you can also go to it and contribute to it. It is created by uh, open source community, keeping in mind that you do a version control of a code. Basically, in a project, not only one team is not going to work in a project, so multiple teams are going to work in a project. So, for in a particular project, all features are not done by a single day. In any project, in any segment, you are going to follow a step by step approach, right? In a month or in a 6 months of time, in a 1 year of time, you are going to take. So, in this tenure, you are going to create a lot of files, and you are going to that produces a lot of code. So you try to manage and maintain the things. So you try to fix a lot of bugs. So this is where Git comes into picture. What it does, it keeps tracks of changes, what you have done, what you have done before, what you have done, what you are writing now, what first you have checked, and what are things you have added, what are the things you have deleted. Everything will be tracked by this Git in a .git file, which is nothing but a metadata file, where you can find all these logs. Right. It also helps you to go to the previous state, because if you sometimes you write a code and the app may crash entirely. So in that case, Git helps a lot. That's about Git. Coming to GitHub, as you all know, Git is an open source version control project. Based on this, GitHub established as an organization which will help you in terms of doing everything over the internet, like maintaining, managing code, creating CI/CD pipelines, like building blueprint type kind of deployment, etc. For individuals, it is free, but as an organization, you have to pay a convenience fee. Let us see how Git and GitHub works practically. For that, just go to Google. First, we need to install Git. Git, sorry, yes, Git for Win. Install Git for Windows and Git for Windows Git force file setup. Test started. Yeah, it's done. Yes. Next. 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 One and next. Next. Is installing. Let me pause for some time and revert back to you. Yeah, it got finished, and let us finish button. Yeah. Now go to VS Code. We'll see by taking a particular project and go to this VS Code interface, and go to files and open folder desktop card game. Yeah, let's close this one and go to term. Just for this one also, just click here three dots terminal and new terminal. Let us see whether Git has installed or not. Git, that can happen. Yeah, it got installed. Now we have to configure Git for any product at a time. Just means once at a time. Any particular product. For that, the commands you have to use is git config hyphen global space user dot name. My name Gracie Raja. Yes. Again, configure email as well. At config hyphen global user dot email space Gracie Raja @gmail.com. So Raja sorry, it's the right receive and file. Yes. Yes. Now the Git has we have uh, we have done the setup. Now just I will explain how Git actually works practically. First, Git will be in the current directory. This is the current directory, and after that it goes to the staging area, and after that into local repository, and after that into remote. Remote means GitHub. Local repository means our system, right? Yeah, we'll see that practically. For that, we need first initialize Git. Git for that Git init. Initialize Git empty repository. You can see the change, right? It went into green color, right? So now we'll see the where are the files. It is about to go to the staging area. You can see here in the source control. You can type. You can see here. These are the is the area where it is about to go to the staging area, right? Let us get status first. Status of the things. Yeah, these are untracked files, right? To go to the staging area, we need to type git add space dot. Yeah, you can see the stage changes, right? In the stage changes. Now it is in the staging area, right? Now let's what we'll do now. Let's go to GitHub. First, you need to create the GitHub. Uh, GitHub. Go to github.com and you have to sign in. It is very easy. You can do it as you do any of the platform like Facebook. You sign up and go into GitHub and just create a repository, new repository, and some test one, right? You can keep it public if you want, if you can make it private also. Just create a repository. Now you can see the commands. You can see the command for the first time. After that, you won't see that. So up to now, Git we have done Git init, Git add. Just type, just follow these commands. Git commit, copy and paste here. Yeah, first commit. Now we'll see the status. Yeah, it's gone. It's went to the local repository. So now we have to we have to push this into the main repository. So for that git branch, yeah, main, it's saying that you should have to go to the main branch. By the way, in real world, we are not going to push the things in the main branch. Your lead will give you permission, create a developer branch, and he or she will give the access, and you have to raise a PR request, and the lead is going to review the code and merge into main. So that's we are going to see now. So next step, git remote. Yeah, copy this and paste here. Yeah, it's done. And next, the last step, we are going to push this into the pain patch. If you see the success message, it will show you a message. Yes, it's done. Go to GitHub and reload it, and see you can see the message first commit, and it is done. It is uploaded in the GitHub. But let us take a pause, and we'll see how to clone and how to raise a PR request whenever we see that. Just I'm pausing as per now. Yeah. Now just go to any of the parts which are done. By the way, this is my GitHub repository. Let's go to basic calculator. Start on this one. On this one, we go to task scheduler. Yeah. Just go to code and copy this and copy it, and you can see that. And let's go to VS Code again. And just file and open folder, desktop, and test 2. Let's go this one. Yeah, just go to new terminal. And for cloning that, cloning means just downloading that into our local repository in the VS Code. So for that, we need to git clone and paste that here. Started cloning, and you can see it started cloning. Yeah, it's done. Now cd change directory to task scheduler. Scheduler, yes. Yeah. Now you have to install the Git as well. Git, for that you should type Git init. Git has initialized, and yeah, it has initialized, and you have to create a feature branch. As I told you, the leads are going to create it, and then give access to you. For that, git branch create feature slash bar dollar program. Open. Yes. Now, as usual, you have to follow the commands. Yeah. Git commit -m, sorry, git add. You need to add this first, right? Git add this dot. It adds to the, you see, it is no, it's a commit actually. Git add dot is the right. So, and git commit -m first check. Sorry, my bad. You have to change that branch to. Uh, First, we have to change that branch to feature branch, right? Git. For that, we have to type git switch. My bad. Sorry for that. Switch fish double program feature FEAT. Sorry. Slash double one. Yes. Feature to double branch. Now git add git commit yes, hyphen m and second check. Okay, sorry, it's Git. FNM second check Git consent. Yeah, it's in the developer branch. Now we have to push this code in the developer branch. Git, for that we have to type git origin git push hyphen u origin no developer branch feed slash given it's given right in that yes developer one. See it works or not. Yes, it's done. Let's go to this. Yeah, you can see that. Yes, reload it. It should create actually. Yeah, two branches are there, right? You can see there. See, you can see there. Okay, let us do some changes in the code. Right. Go to index.html and task scheduler for test. So, conduct some changes, right? So we have to do git commit, type git commit hyphen m some change. Modified. You can see something like it has changed the color as well here and modified. Now we push that into uh, now we'll push that into GitHub repository. Git for the git push if hyphen u git push hyphen u git push set uf git push hyphen u just a minute git push hyphen u origin just origin or git push hyphen u origin all of CPH feature branch, right? Yeah, everything is up to date. Now we'll go to the GitHub. Yeah, branch are there, right? You can see the changes here. You should see a PR actually, PR request. It should work. Just a minute. Yeah, for now it worked. If you first what I'm is something we have to first give the command git add and git commit some change in git push fnu origin the developer branch. You should see like this. The interface will be like this. Compare and pull request. So type click on it and you have to create a pull request and yeah the peer review will be done and will be merged into the main branch. Confirm merge. Yeah, you can see some changes has changed. We have done the changes, some change too. Yeah, that's it from my tutorial today. We will see Docker in the next section. Thank you.